Hello. Today I will talk to you about the red reflex test or the Bruckner's test. This test is very useful for clinicians, paramedical staff to understand whether there are any eye problems in the child and to help refer to an ophthalmologist. Red reflex test is basically a study of the reflex of the light which falls into the child's eye. When the reflex back from the retina, it creates a certain reddish glow, like an ember glow. That is known as a red reflex. Abnormalities and in this red reflex will give you understanding about what kind of eye problem there is. Usually red reflex test is done by something like a direct ophthalmoscope. Now once you put on the direct ophthalmoscope, you hold it like this at 1 feet distance from the patient. You can be at 1 or 2 feet distance, and it can be a dark room or it can be a little dimly lit room where you can see that reflex. So when you put light into the child's eye, you will see reflex coming from the pupillary area of both the eyes. And if this reflex is nice, red and equal, that means the eye is normal. Suppose the reflex is dull, you can't see reflex in one eye, then that can be because of corneal opacity or a cataract. If you see a whitish reflex on one eye, that can be because of cataract or because of retinal detachment or retinoblastoma. Or if you see one eye reflex is very bright, the other is normal, then that can be because of a strabismus eye also, eye turned in or turned out. And if you have say asymmetry of the reflex, one is dull and one is bright, that can be because of unilateral refractive errors. So studying these reflexes will give you an understanding of whether the child has an eye problem or not. This test can be done while a cranky baby is in the mother's lap also, because you don't need to touch the child at all. You can just shine the light from far distance and study those reflexes. Now the second method, sometimes what we see is that even when the patient takes photographs of their child in dark room with our smartphone photographs, that also sometimes shows you the red reflex of the pupil, and studying that reflex also will give you the similar kind of estimate of eye problems. So make sure to see your patient's pictures also. Thank you.